It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way.
Marami tayong mga buhay na na-touch. At doon, hindi ko makakalimutan yon. Pero higit sa lahat, gusto kong malaman mo na naging bahagi ka ng isa sa pinaka-importanting nangyari sa buhay ko.
Daig pa niyang 1,000,000 kalapating pinakawalan.
Gusto talaga kay Kailan.
Kailangan mo ng isang tao to make you whole. Diba gaya ng sabi ko kanina sa equation, para maging everything, it has to have 1 + 1. And I would like to think na ako yung isa at sa isa.
Kasi ako personally, she's my queen eh. So siguro hindi ko alam kung na-pick up nila doon.
You to me are everything dahil ikaw ay priceless. Na hindi pa naman black. So medyo feeling ko yung daloy ng dugo nun. Medyo smooth pa at medyo gustong sumabog at pumutok. Dahil sa pagmamahal sa isang tao, si Mami.
That just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver.
And of course, to you, thank you very much. My love. So, happy birthday rin sa'yo.
As she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair, as she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, sitting there slack-jawed and nothing to say, 'cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes.
Pero nag-iba ang priorities ni Ding Dong nang makilala niya si Marian Rivera.
Lahat yun ay napalitan nung nakilala ko siya. So, ibig sabihin, may katumbas na ganong klase importansya sa para may pagpalit ko.
I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
Yung pinakamatimbang at pinakamahalagang pag-ibig na totoo siya.
Importante doon, kung paano mo babalansin eh. Kung tanong kung hanggang saan sasamahan, hanggang dulo talaga. Wala talaga.